Aden got cold and he's been sick for about 4 days. And he is often coughing. And while coughing, what must you do, honey?
With one beep.
Can you show it? Okay, he must cover his mouth with his beep. Honey, I think we need to clean the booger. Will you blow your nose?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, well done. Once more, honey. Great. Let's clean your nose. His nose is often running. Well done, honey, well done. And get well soon. Aden is also often sneezing.
Also,
Bless you.
thank you.
Hapshire.
Bless you.
Thank you, honey. You know, we must wash our hands very often. And if we are ill, we must wash them more often. Now, Aden will tell you the steps of his washing his hands. First,
I'll try not to yawn.
okay, you turn on the light. So he's taking the stool.
Akıyor. Turn off the faucet.
Turn on the
I
faucet.
turn off the faucet.
No, honey, you're first turning on the faucet.
Turn on the faucet.
Okay. Okay, I'll help you.
Take it off. Scrub it.
Take the soap, scrub my hands.
Scrub it.
Again, okay.
He's on the bubble.
Sorry?
He's on the bubble.
Rinse off the bubbles.
Turn off the faucet.
Then, what will you take? Take the
and finally the yellow eye.
And finally, there are my hands. You're great, honey. Thank you.